Yo, what up guys? Old School Dan here, back again with another video. In this video, we'll be discussing the last and final phase and day of rebuilding the silver era physique. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So we got the Russian twist for the beginning. We got 3 sets of 30. So each time you rotate to one side, that's 1. And you rotate to the other, that's 1. So you want to do 30 on each side. So it's 1, 1, 2, 2. Or you can just count to 60. Totally up to you. But guys, you never want to skip the warm-up. I've only gotten injured at least maybe 3, maybe 4 times, and it was never a bad injury that I was out for the gym more than like a few days. I think I hurt my back for a little bit, and I would still lift and it'd be fine. Shoulder pinch too, I worked around that. Hamstring pull, I think that had me out for like maybe the longest time. It might have been like about a week. And other than that, I haven't really had any injuries that set me back like months or like more than like a week. So you always want to make sure you properly warm up. And the reasons I got injured is because I wouldn't warm up, and that it was like a technique issue too. So never skip those. Get those abs nice and strong to protect that lower back. So with that being said, let's dive right into the actual workout. Barbell walking lunges. I changed them from dumbbell to barbell because the thing is that if you hold the dumbbells, your arms might get just tired holding the dumbbells. But if you have a barbell on your back, you're able to add more weight over a period of time, especially it being so many reps. We got you doing 30 reps walking, and this is total. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 30, not 1, 1, 2, 2. Not gonna do 60 reps. And again, you wanna lunge diagonally, this will give you the greatest range of motion. Don't lunge just straight up and down, lunge at an angle. Moving on to the Smith machine calf raises for that gastrocnemius, the thickness of the calf. Then moving on to some incline barbell press. Of course, these guys had a great upper chest. Incline barbell work is great for that. A wide grip lat pull down, 3 sets of 15. Taking a small break away from those chin ups, those pull ups. Again, I might be making some more advanced phases for this. We are building the silver era physique coming soon. Still thinking about it. I got a few other content ideas coming your way. But with that being said, let's move right into the next set of exercises. I swapped out overhead press for standing up dumbbell press to give you a little bit more of a range of motion, a little more novelty. Give your shoulders a little bit of a switch up. Standing dumbbell press 3 to 15. Again, arms have more volume just because they can recover from all that stuff. The chest and back, not the same. Chest requires 72 hours. Back requires 48 hours. So I want to give it a little less volume. But for barbell spider curl, 3 sets of 20, and you're gonna superset that with a rope press down for 3 sets of 20. All right, guys, that concludes all the phases for rebuilding the silver era physique. I'll have a few more content ideas coming on your way, and I wanted to make a video on how Steve Reeves would actually phase his workouts just like this, because he did something very similar, but he has his own way, and I found it in dynamic muscle building. I can't wait to share with you guys. With that being said, subscribe for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm Old School Dan. I'm gone. Peace.